just knew I was doing something. Woo. Sorry, babe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Jeulia Hair. They were kind of send me another unit to review for you guys. I will also be doing a little bit of makeup, just the eye look, because you guys have been asking me about my eye look that I did a couple videos ago. Even though I already have a look just like it on my makeup playlist, but you know, it's okay. You don't want to look for it, it's okay. It's okay, I'll do it again. And we also going to be doing some sipping and slaying. Okay, you guys know it is sip and slay. Today is Friday. Thank goodness, I've been waiting for this joint. But as always, before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so before we get into this look, let's go ahead and crack open this wine. Today we are featuring Stella Rosa. You guys know Stella Rosa is bae, okay? That's mainly what I drink, you know, but I've been trying some new things, but I always come back to what I love. And Stella Pink is what is on the menu today. Now Kenny swears up and down that I already tried this wine before. I don't remember, okay? And my memory is better than his, and I know it's been in my mouth. So I don't know what the heck he's talking about, but you know what? Whatever. Chug a lug. Oh, I'm gonna finish that today. Okay, so I already put the unit on, and we are going to start to style her. Now I do have a How I Lay My Wig playlist, so if you need to see how I do this, go ahead and check out one of those videos. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Jeulia Hair. It is a Brazilian Ombre Highlight Wig, and the starting price for this unit is $83. Now the density for this unit is 150% across the board, so that's the density for every single length that you can get for this unit. Now this unit does come in 12 to 24 inches, and obviously depending on the length that you get for your unit, the price will go up. I got mine in the cheapest length possible, okay? 12 inches, so my unit is $83. Ooh, that wine got me hot already, y'all. Goodness gracious. It comes in a 13x4 lace parting area. I will be going in to pluck up that parting space because I will be doing a middle part today, and we will be using Big Bertha today. Now Jeulia Hair does have some of the best lace for the price point. Even though this is a cheaper unit, the lace I feel like is still easier to blend down. Now at 12 inches, this unit does have some layers in the front. I did go in and co-wash this unit because it needed it. It wasn't like a harsh smell, but it was definitely a smell, so you want to get that out. What's that smell anyway? What is that smell that comes in these units? I would like to know. We're curling at the root, and then we continue to twist until we get all that hair into that barrel. That's how we do it, okay? To make sure the curl is how I want it, and then we just clip it. Okay, let me take this off so I can see the lace we working with. Let's see. Okay, so she's not bad. She actually melted down a lot better than I thought she was. I did use some of my Maybelline pressed powder, and I used that under my lace like I normally do, but I'm going to be using my foundation when I do my makeup on top of that lace to blend that down a little bit more, and I think she'll be good to go. Okay, I need my wax stick now. Where art thou? Put my wax up here just to kind of flatten that down some. Make sure I don't burn my face. Okay, and then I'm gonna curl this one back as well. Not as tight though. I will say, y'all, this unit is holding a curl very, very nicely. The hair texture is very soft as well. It's a silky texture, okay? But it's not crunchy. Like, they definitely process this hair very, very nicely. Okay, let me go ahead and finish up this side right here, put on my eyebrows, and then we'll come back and do some eye makeup, okay? I'll be back. Okay, so eyebrows are done. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this eye look really quick. I do have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel. I will link it down below. The eyebrow shape may change, how much I fill in may change, but the technique is still the same. I already prepped my eyelid, and then we're gonna go in with the Black Radiant Soft Focus finishing powder. This is in the color Creamy Bronze. I'm going to take a little fluffy brush. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be my 505 or 504 from Morphe. 504. So my 504 Morphe brush, and I'm going to put that into my crease and deepen that joint up. Nothing crazy with this eye. Anyone can do it. I promise it's super easy because I'm not someone who considers themselves a makeup artist. If you go back and look at my first video on YouTube, it was a makeup video. That is why I started my channel, to get better at makeup. I just knew I was doing something. Woo. Ooh, Kenny is having a field day with them kids. Sorry, babe. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna use the Chocolates palette by Juvias, and we're gonna use that dark shade here in the corner. We're gonna use the Morphe 505 brush to do that. Tap, tap, pack that in there, circular motion. And then we're gonna bring that up into the crease. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna use this middle shade right here. It's like a tannish color. I'm gonna use a flat brush, and we're gonna take that over our lid. I'm following the shape of my eyeball. That is how I put my eyeshadow on. And I'm just bringing that down into the corner of my eye, and then sweeping it up over my eyeball to meet that crease area. And then I bring it down over my eyelid. And now I'm going to take an angled brush. Okay, next up we're going to take the Berries palette, pop that joint open, okay? And I'm going to use this shade over here in the corner. And I'm placing that in between the light and the dark shade, okay? Bring it up and down, bring it up and down. You can pack as much as you want of that color in there as well, okay? And then you stack some of that into the crease with that angled brush. You can bring it down if you want, or bring it out, however you want to do it. You're making the shape for your eye. I could go back in with the 504 brush, but that's too fluffy. I want more of a, you know, a condensed packer. I'm gonna use that to build up that darker shade on the outside and try to blend that into that color. Now, I want to lighten up this inner corner here, so I'm going to use, if I can pick it up, these nails, goodness gracious. I'm going to use the Nudes palette now, and I'm going to take this middle shade right here, if you can see it, this middle shade right there, to lighten that up a little bit, because I want that to be seen. I know a lot of y'all been in my comments saying, you know, your makeup looks really pretty, I could never do that. Yes, you can. Look at where I started. So it's all practice and patience. If you will yourself to do something, you will do it. Just clean that up, blend it together, make sure it's not too dusty looking, okay? And that is it for the eye look, okay? I want to tell y'all, very simple. Okay, I'm not going to do a whole bunch of baby hairs because I don't feel like she needs it. I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse here in the front. Aw, that's runny, that's runny. Just a little bit of mousse on these hairs right here. Like I said, I don't want actual like baby hairs. I just want them to be like, I want them to look kind of wispy, if that makes any sense. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. I'm gonna use that in my parting space to see what she's working with. Can't really see that. Let me put a little bit more. Let me put a little, I don't wanna put too much. Just back it on up, back it on up. I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I was not here for this unit. The color, I didn't think I would like it, but I think how I have it pinned up right now, I'm feeling her, okay? I can never find the daggone pins when I need to find them. I think that's all of them. I always forget one. Okay, she not bad, she not bad. It gives me enough body as well, y'all. Like, for this to only be $150, I actually like how this looks. It definitely gives me the full look up here. It is a little thin at the bottom, okay? So just be mindful of that, but it's workable, y'all. It is definitely workable. I think it came together, y'all. I really do think it came together. I don't know, this gives me like early 2000s type of style. I'm not seeing any tangling or shedding with this unit. Like I said, the hair feels really good. It feels really soft. You know, it's cute, it's simple, nothing crazy going on. I think anybody can do this. Y'all saw how I curled it. You know, just big old Shirley Temple curls, and that's it, okay? Big Bertha came on through. I will put the direct link for my unit as well as my specs down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. I also have a coupon code that will save you, I believe, $20 on this unit. Now, I don't know if you guys spend a certain amount to get that $20 off, but it will be linked down below, so make sure you guys use that as well. Shout out one more time to Jeulia Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.